We're trying to figure out if we have a set of 24 cards numbered 1 to 24. What's the probability the card drawn will have either a number that's divisible by 2 and a 3? Well, that means it's got to be divisible by 6. Or means plus, probability is divisible by 7. So I want you to think about those cards numbered 1 to 24 and how many of them are divisible by 6. Well, the cards 6, 12, 18, and 24 are the only ones divisible by 6. So how many cards are we choosing from? 24, and how many are divisible by 6? 4. Plus, or we're still grabbing from 24 cards. How many of those cards are divisible by 7? The cards 7, 14, and 21. It's only 3 of them. So your common denominator is 24, and your numerator, you add those, and you get 7.